record. I had some of the record done, and I played some of it for Mom, and she didn't look super impressed, I'm not going to lie to you. She said, now, I think it would be nice if you had a waltz on that record. So I don't know what you does when your mother asks you to play a waltz, but I thought where the Nightingales sing. Meet me at midnight when the kingdom's asleep and the guards of the palace have long been at ease. Oh, once out the window, follow my steps. To us and our shadows are all that is left, and we'll lift our Father and let the moonlight steal in and lay me down, lay me down. Where the nightingales sing, lay me down, lay me down. Where the nightingales sing. Surrender, the bower sets the stage, and with a single star spotlight where the leads all will play. Our stories unscripted in this secret show. We'll draw back the curtains, we'll see where it goes. Let our hearts take the places and let the night pull those strings and lay me down, lay me down. Where the nightingales sing, lay me down, lay me down. Where the nightingales sing. A Saturday night dance.
Recording guys.
Meet me at midnight, it's the same old sweet song. Tonight and tomorrow, and on and on. Stay with me, sway with me, a love serenade. As long as we stay